Whether you're a beginner to exercise or you've just been taking a break and you want to be more consistent, I'm going to be walking you through how to make a sustainable plan. So by the end of this video, you will have a workout home plan that's going to keep you on track. Hey, I'm Rachel, and if you're new here, this channel is all about teaching a smarter, not harder approach to health and fitness. I've been teaching Pilates for almost 2 decades, and I've helped hundreds of clients transform their relationship with exercise and their bodies. Okay, step number 1, we are going to check with the doctor. I'm sure you've heard this a million times. We always want to check with the doctor first to make sure whatever exercise program we're starting is an okay, especially if you've got any kind of niggly back issues. We just want to make sure the discs are okay and we're ready to go. Next, number 2, we are going to set the mind, get our mindset ready for this new workout plan. I want you to find your why. It could be so that you can have more energy to play with your kids, or you want to get into some old skinny jeans. Whatever that might be, you want to write that down, put it on a post-it, pepper it around the house, on the refrigerator, wherever. And if you're in my Pilates 101 course, you know this is something we've talked about, and we also are doing mindset shifts throughout the month program. Okay, number 3, next in the plan, we're going to start adding healthy tasks into our routine. So I want you to make a list of healthy tasks. It could be how much water you consume during the day, getting your greens in. It could even be a nightly skin routine, whatever ones you're having trouble with getting in. I want you to make a list, and then I want you to add 1 in per week to your routine. I don't want you to try to do them all at once, because Lord knows if we don't get them done, then we just kind of throw the baby out with the bathwater and we just give up on the whole plan. So take 1. It could even be the first one on your list, and add that one and make that a habit in your week. When you get that one dialed in, then you can add in the next one. If you're in my Pilates 101 course, we've got a printable checklist that you can put on the fridge, and we check off those tasks every day. Okay, next, number 4, I want you to find an exercise that you love. We want this to be sustainable, right? And we want you to feel that you're not having to do this workout every day. It could be kickboxing, it could be HIIT. Of course, I love Pilates, and if you haven't tried it, I encourage you to try some of my free videos here on YouTube. I'll link some of those below. But find that exercise, also write that down, and we're going to incorporate that in the plan. What is your favorite exercise? Let me know in the comments below. All right, next, number 5, we're going to find an accountability buddy. This to me is the key to staying consistent with my workout plan. It could be your sister, it could be your best friend, it can be someone else you know that's trying to also get consistent with workouts, and you're going to start to check in with each other. You can send them a sweaty selfie, or just if there's someone in your neighborhood, then you can even meet them for a walk. Whatever it is someone that's holding you accountable, and ideally you're holding them accountable too. I love seeing the check-ins in my Pilates 101 program. We've got an accountability group in Facebook, of course, and I love seeing everybody check in with their progress, because then, I mean, it's the proof right there that they're staying accountable, they're getting it done. The last step in the plan is celebrating your wins. So I like to even figure out how I'm going to celebrate maybe each week if I complete all the tasks on my little workout plan. So maybe it's a new pair of leggings, which also helps motivate you the next week, because it's so nice getting your workout done if you love your little outfit. It could be a massage, another form of self-care, but pick out some sort of reward and celebrate that you've gotten things done. But if you really want a simple way to create a sustainable plan, I've got one already done for you. It will ease you and then progress you through a month of Pilates, mindset shifts, and then all the things that we've talked about. And then the end of the month, when you're finished, we then will go through on how you can continue this plan every month. It's my Pilates 101 program. I'll drop a link in the description below. I'll be guiding you through all the things we talked about today, as well as hooking you up with an accountability buddy in the Facebook group. So if you're really serious about getting into a sustainable routine, I would definitely snag this program. It's less than $100. And like I said, I'll drop the link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want to sample my teaching style, try the video that's on your screen right now. See you on the mat.